Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon so you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching doll cake decoration ideas that suit both home and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you're new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful clay. I provide you simple ideas for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please visit my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And then guys, please watch this video to end. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. I hope you love the designs of cake. I hope you love the creativity. Thank you so much guys to watching, to share, to like my YouTube video. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very authentic and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. If you are interested in these types of video, in these types of design, then please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please make sure press the bell icon. You can use each designs for celebrations, for baby girls' birthday, baby showers or any home decoration ideas, home celebration ideas. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful, cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs, and take a screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas or any other celebration idea, then please visit my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching my YouTube video, and see you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.